So as you know, we're going to talk about herbs today. The basic historical development of herbology in Chinese medicine started with a man by the name of Shen Nong, the divine farmer, was what he was referred to as. They also called him the emperor of the fine grains. He was said to bring agriculture to China and start that movement, which allowed them to help sustain their growing population. But Shen Nong is a very historical figure. There's all sorts. There's comic books about him. There's whole movies and television shows. He's someone that pervades Chinese culture because he was so important in its history. He is said to have tasted the 100 herbs, which is to say that he went out and he would taste the herbs himself, and he would see what they did by trial and error. So he was the man who pioneered using herbs for medicine in China. Whether he was the first one or not we don't really know. But through this trial and error, he started categorizing and seeing what the different herbs did. It's amazing because he would just take it and he would notice how it felt in his body and the type of effect that it had, and then he'd start categorizing all these different effects of each of the different herbs. And then every once in a while, he would take something that was poisonous. And you'd have to scramble to figure out what to do. He'd try all these different herbs until he found one that relieved poisoning. And so now we have anti-poison herbs, basically.
So he's lucky.
So he's lucky. Yes, he was lucky. But he is considered the father of Chinese herbal medicine.